In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone to Tradingview. If you prefer analyzing and placing trades from one screen, this setup lets you execute directly from your Tradingview charts without bouncing between platforms. We'll walk through checking your account type, logging into Tradingview, opening the trading panel, authorizing the connection, and confirming everything is synced so your balance, margin, and positions appear right where you chart. First, make sure your Pepperstone account supports Tradingview. Pepperstone's integration works with Razor account types, and that applies to both demo and live. If you don't already have a Razor account that's Tradingview enabled, sign in to your Pepperstone Secure Client area, go to Trading Accounts, and choose Add Trading Account. In Platform Type, select Tradingview and Submit. This flags the account for Tradingview access so it can be recognized when you connect. Give it a moment to provision before moving on. Next, head to tradingview.com and sign in. A free plan is fine for connecting a broker, so use the account you already have. Make sure you're logged in on the web platform where the trading panel is available. On the Tradingview interface, look to the bottom panel and click Trading Panel. This area lists all supported brokers that can connect to your charts. Scroll through the list until you find Pepperstone. If the panel is minimized, expand it so the broker tiles are visible, then confirm Pepperstone is showing among the available connections. Select Pepperstone and click Connect. A secure login window will open. Enter the credentials for your Razor account and choose the appropriate server, either live or demo, to match the account you intend to use. Approve the connection if you see a prompt requesting access. If a browser pop-up is blocked, allow it and try again. Choosing the correct server is important because it determines which account Tradingview is linked to and prevents you from accidentally connecting to the wrong environment. After a successful login, Tradingview will display your account balance, available margin, and any open trades, and it will attach an order panel to the chart. That's your confirmation that the link is active. From here, you can place orders directly from your Tradingview charts using your Pepperstone account. As a quick tip, start on a demo to get comfortable with the order panel and always double-check the symbol and order size before sending. That's it. You're connected and ready to trade from one streamlined workspace.